So it is almost midnight, and they have a green light blasting into our room. Look, a kitty! Wow, another dark, cheap hotel room. Okay. This is officially the worst view I've ever had in Vegas. You literally are at the entrance of the hotel. There's absolutely no privacy. So if you want to let any light in, you can't. And there's a lot of garbage outside the window here. It's a ton of garbage just blowing in the wind. So, let's talk about the MGM. It's been here since the 70s. It's the third biggest hotel in the entire world. Only third to the Venetian and Palazzo, and this hotel does feel bigger because you gotta walk a lot to get around. Well, the room itself doesn't feel that big, so let's take a look around it and see what you get. Whee! You've got a nice desk here. The chair is super beat up. You can see right here, like, it's all chewed apart. I'm surprised they haven't replaced this. The armchair, I'll show you as well, is pretty beat up itself. Yeah. It says storing personal items in the minibar will result in a $50 restocking fee. Refrigerators are available through housekeeping at $35 a day. It doesn't say anywhere here that if you lift up something off of this tray that you will be charged. Owen did it not knowing. Luckily we called front desk, but that is not cool. And it's something I don't like when hotels do that because it kind of seems deceiving. And a mini bar. The bathroom is okay, it's a decent size. This is a wheelchair accessible one, so I'm not sure what the size of the other ones are, but this one's pretty big. The shower's decent. It is laid out differently than a regular bathroom, but hey, it's nice and it gets the job done. Well, we already know the beds are comfortable because we took a nap earlier. I think the pillows are too soft, but Owen doesn't. As you can see, there isn't much of a closet and it can barely fit any of our bags, but I guess it kind of gets the job done, kinda. Now that I'm done showing you the room, I want to go check out the pool, and I've heard it's pretty good and I've seen it in videos, but I've never been there, so let's go check out the pool. So I'm at Fat Tuesdays, as you know, my favorite place. Just had a watermelon jello shot. Also, I'm gonna be giving away a gift card to Fat Tuesdays. All you gotta do is leave a comment, hashtag Las Vegas or hashtag Fat Tuesdays, and you'll be entered to win. So we made it to the MGM pool, and oh my gosh, it is massive. I think it's 6.5 acres big. It's got like 6 pools I counted, a lazy river. It's got Wet Republic. It's got, I don't know how many bars. I think I counted 5, 6. It is so big. There's so much to do. It is crowded right now because it is so hot out. Beautiful property. I'm going to get in the pool because I am dying. It is over 100 degrees out right now, and I think that's 42 Celsius. So yeah, check out the pool at MGM. You're going to love it. It is awesome. Don't miss out on this pool. So at the MGM, they have one of my favorite Cirque shows, Ka. I highly recommend it. It's kind of unique because the stage actually moves when they're performing at points. Come check out the show. It's so good. I highly recommend it. So the casino at the MGM is massive. it sprawls the whole property. I have no idea how big it is, but it is really big, and it's a nice casino. So if you want to check out this place, I'd highly recommend checking out their casino. It's awesome. And I can take a spin here. Probably won't win. There's a reason I don't play slots. Off to see the new Cirque show and just go on an adventure. So to save money to go to the new Cirque show, we decided to go to the Shake Shack, literally across the street from the MGM. I think I've been here once at the airport, so I'm going to try it again. Cheese fries. So good. I love fake cheese. Just a regular cheeseburger. Shake Shack makes a really, really good burger. It's not too well done. It's medium rare. It's delicious. If you want to save a couple bucks, if you're going to a show like we are, don't want to do a fancy dinner, Shake Shack, literally it's across the street from the MGM. I gotta try these fries again though. And this beer, only $9. Look how big it is. Just outside the Mad Apple, the newest Cirque show in Vegas. Super excited to see it. Well, just finished seeing the new Cirque show, Mad Apple. Yeah. It's actually the worst Cirque show I've ever seen. Not trying to be negative, just if you're in Vegas, any other Cirque show is better than Mad Apple. So it is almost midnight, and they have a green light blasting into our room. I don't get it. Like, that's awful. Like, if I have to go to bed now, this is awful. This is like an extremely uncomfortably bright green light. I don't get it, MGM. What is this? How's this okay? So I'm just checking out of the room. They were right at the door at 11 a.m. So my overall thoughts of this hotel, well, like I've said a bunch, it's massive. The room was not great. I don't really like the MGM. I didn't like the fact I didn't get the room that I booked. I find the hotel hard to navigate. The food options are there, but they're super expensive and there's nothing that enticing. There is like Best Friends by Roy Choi, but it's always booked. It's hard to get to the other hotels from this hotel. You gotta walk forever through the hotel to get to the Strip. They also kind of have their own, like, they also do a really good job, I guess, at keeping you here, not getting any affordable deals, because there's nothing affordable in the hotel. Everything's expensive. And because it's so far to get to the Strip, you kind of are forced to buy things here. You can't go to a CVS or an ABC easily. You have to go way up to the Strip and find it. It's like a 20-minute walk. So I wouldn't recommend this hotel unless maybe you get a better position in the hotel, or if you like really massive resorts. Like this feels really big compared to like Venetian because it's so hard to get to the Strip. Well, I'm off to review another hotel right now, so let's see how that one is. I just finished that long walk out of the MGM to review another property. This one's got a bit of mixed reviews. Can you guess which one?
Yeah!